With the ongoing pandemic, all the businesses have shifted their business working culture to the virtual environment. This has definitely made a digital marketing to be a part of their business. So digital marketing is a fundamental part of every business, but in today's market, it's exponentially growing and changing the trend very fast. It seems every day there is a new tool, a new technique and new practices happening around the digital marketing. Now, globally speaking, the digital marketing industry is worth of $190 billion. This proves that if you are someone looking forward to build your career in digital marketing domain, then you are at the perfect platform. Hi, I am Manjunath Kemper, a certified digital marketer and a course instructor for this course. In this course, you will introduce to the introduction to digital marketing, where we discuss about why digital marketing is required and what are all the emerging trends in digital marketing and the various channels of digital marketing and so on and so forth. Next, we will move on to the search engine optimization, where we shall discuss about what is search engine optimization and why it is important, and how does a search engine works, and also the on-page and off-page search engine optimization parts, and most importantly, the importance of keyword research and the various tools that are going to be used for setting up the successful search engine optimization strategy. Followed by this, we will move on to the paid marketing, or also called as search engine marketing with the Google Ads. Here, we shall discuss about how to execute end-to-end campaigns using the Google Ads and what are all the various key performance indicators, what we also call as KPIs to consider in Google Ads, and also setting up various types of paid campaigns in Google Ads. Next up, we will learn about social media marketing. Here we shall discuss about the importance of social media marketing and how to execute end-to-end campaigns using the Facebook Ads Manager, and also the various tools that are going to be used for the successful strategy of a social media marketing. In the last module of this course is the email marketing. Here we shall discuss about what is email marketing and the importance of email marketing and how to execute your first campaigns using the various email marketing tools, and also how to measure the successful strategy for email marketing and so much things to be explored. And finally, upon the completion of this course, you shall be able to understand the complete roadmap to become a successful digital marketer. So what are you thinking? Just enroll the course and enjoy learning. Thank you.